Welcome back to the channel Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW G310R, a compact roadster that continues to make a big impression in the entry-level performance segment. This bike is perfect for new riders, city commuters, and even experienced motorcyclists looking for a light and nimble machine with premium branding and design. The 2025 G310R retains its aggressive styling and signature BMW aesthetics, with sharper lines and a more refined finish that reflects its German engineering roots. The tank shrouds, LED headlamp, and muscular stance give it the look of a much larger bike. It's a head-turner for sure, whether you're cruising through city streets or parked at your favorite cafe. Under the tank, you'll find the same reliable 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This engine has proven itself over the years and delivers a healthy 34 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. It's mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox and now comes with a slipper clutch for added safety and smoother downshifts. Whether you're in traffic or hitting the open road, the engine offers responsive performance and a thrilling ride. One of the highlights of the G310R is its approachable nature. With a seat height of just 785 mm, it's easy to manage for shorter riders, yet it doesn't feel cramped for taller ones. The ergonomics are upright and comfortable, perfect for daily rides and weekend trips alike. The bike weighs just around 164 kilograms, making it incredibly maneuverable, ideal for navigating through urban traffic or enjoying twisty backroads. Suspension duties are handled by 41mm USD forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The setup strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. The G310R glides over most road imperfections while still offering precise handling when you want to push it. The 17-inch alloy wheels with radial tires provide ample grip and stability at all speeds. Braking is managed by a 300mm front disc with a radial caliper and a 240mm rear disc, supported by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking feel is progressive and confident, making it suitable for both new and seasoned riders. BMW hasn't skimped on features either. The G310R comes with a full LED lighting setup, headlamp, indicators, and tail light, offering better visibility and a modern look. The LCD instrument cluster provides all the essential information like speed, RPM, gear indicator, fuel level, and trip meters. It's clear and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. In terms of color options, BMW usually refreshes the palette each year, and for 2025, we expect bold, sporty combinations that enhance the bike's road presence. BMW's attention to detail and premium finish is evident across every surface of the bike, from the quality of plastics to the smoothness of the paint. One of the key selling points of the G310R is its low maintenance cost compared to other BMW motorcycles. It's built in collaboration with TVs in India, which ensures affordability without compromising on BMW's global standards. This makes it a smart buy for those who want the BMW badge with a practical ownership experience. Fuel efficiency is another plus. The G310R can return an average of 30 to 35 km/h, depending on your riding style. With an 11-liter fuel tank, you can expect a decent range that's perfect for city commutes and short weekend getaways. Whether you're just starting your motorcycling journey or looking for a stylish and agile city bike, the 2025 BMW G310R delivers a balanced package. It offers the premium feel and brand prestige of BMW, reliable performance, and everyday usability, all in a lightweight, accessible format. So, that's our quick look at the 2025 BMW G310R. Let us know in the comments what you think about this compact beast and whether you'd consider it as your next ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Pulse for more reviews, updates, and test rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.